Welcome students. In the previous lessons, we studied the information about the Shahu Maharaj and two important Peshwa, Balaji Vishwanath and Bajirao first. Today, we are going to start a next lesson of history. Lesson number 11, Marathas, the protector of the nation. After the Bajirao, Shahu Maharaj appointed in Nana Sahib, or his name was Balaji. The topen name of him or the another name of him Nana Sahib. He was appointed as a Peshwa. Due to the invictions in a north or due to the attack of the different rulers into the north or attack of the Nadir Shah, due to this also Delhi became a unstable. In this situation, Nana Sahib tried to establish a Maratha power into the north. Their information we are going to learn in this lesson. Let's start the lesson. First one, we will learn some situation into the north one. The northwest of the Ayodhya region at the foothill of Himalaya mountain was known as Rohilkhand in the 18th century. The people migrated from Afghanistan, settled down in this area, and they were known as Rohillas. Understood this one? Who are the Rohillas? The people migrated or come from the Afghanistan and settled down at the foothill of Himalaya. At the downside of Himalaya, they settled down. These peoples are known as Rohillas. Who are known as the Rohillas? Question should be there in an exam for a 1 or 2 marks. The people migrated from Afghanistan and settled down in the foothill of Himalayan mountain were known as the Rohillas. Understood this? Okay. Then who was the leader of them? Najib Khan was the leader or chief of Rohillas. Rohillas want to conquer the area of Ganga and Yamuna Doab region. In the last lesson we learned what is meant by Doab. The area in between two rivers are known as Doab. So here in area in between Ganga and Yamuna river, here they want this area. So they increased their activities in this region. So the Nawab of this region invited Marathas to protect them from the Rohilla and teach a lesson to them. Marathas went into the north and solved the problems of Rohillas. Okay, their information we will take again how we fight with the Rohillas and others. Okay, now the second one, conflict with the Afghans. Afghanistan is the neighboring country of India. Beside the Pakistan, we are able to see the Afghanistan in the map. Okay, the Ahmad Shah Abdali was the ruler of Afghanistan. He heard the many things about India. He was attracted toward the richness of India. Mostly, Afghanistan was covered by the desert. But Abdali listened the rich things of the India, greenery, fruits, flowers, grains. So he decided to attack on Delhi or he decided to attack on India. He marched on the Punjab area in 1751. Instability was there in a Mughal court. So the Mughal were afraid due to this attack. And in that condition or in this situation, Mughal need the protection. What the Mughal needed? Mughal needed the protection. Now, to whom we have to ask for the protection? There was a big question in front of the Mughal king. But the Mughal king was sure about the Maratha's strength. Who sure about the Maratha's strength? Mughal king was sure about the Maratha's strength and their integrity. They knew these things. Marathas are the strong one and the honest. So, Mughal made a treaty with Marathas in 1752 CE. When the treaty was signed in between Marathas and Mughals in 1752 CE. Do you know what is meant by treaty? Treaty means agreement. The agreement signed by the Maratha and the Mughal Empire. What was that treaty? What agreement we signed that time? The first one. The Maratha agreed to protect the Mughal power from the enemies like Rohilla, Jat, Rajput and the Afghan. What the Maratha agreed in this treaty? Maratha agreed that to protect the Mughal power, to protect the Mughal empire from the enemies like Rohilla, Jat, Rajput and the Afghans. What do you think? Maratha agreed to protect the Mughal freely? Hmm? Without taking anything, Maratha agreed to help the Mughal? No. Then what the Maratha get from this treaty? What the Maratha got here? Here the Maratha got the cash money as well as Maratha got the rights of the Punjab, Multan, Rajputana, Sindh and Rohilkhand region. Maratha got the rights of Chauthai of which region? Punjab, Multan, Rajputana, Sindh and the Rohilkhand region. As well as Maratha got the rights of Sar Deshmukhi of Ajmer and the Agra province. Do you know what is meant by Chauthai and Sar Deshmukhi? Are you remembered anything? What we learned in the last lesson? What is meant by Chauthai? The 1/4 part of revenue is known as Chauthai. And what is meant by Sar Deshmukhi? 1/10 part of the revenue was known as the Sar Deshmukhi. So the Maratha gets the rights of Sar Deshmukhi and Chauthai of the Mughal territories into the north. Okay. Due to that, Maratha got the money from the Mughal Empire. So the Maratha signed the treaty, Maratha got the money and the Mughal power got the protection from the foreign invasion or from the local kings. Understood this? The treaty was signed in April 1752. Then what happened next? Abdali attacked on the Punjab region. As per the treaty, Maratha have to help Mughal. What was the treaty? If anyone attacked on the Mughal territories, Marathas have to protect them. Now what happened? The king of Afghanistan, Abdali, attacked on the Mughal territory in a Punjab region. So Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj sent his two experienced Sardar, Shinde and Holkar, in with the huge army into the north against the Abdali. Abdali knew this news that the Shahu Maharaj sent two experienced Sardar with a great army, so he did not want to fight directly with the Marathas. So he started to return in his country. Whatever the part he won, he gave some rights to their Sardars and he returned with a great booty in his country. Means, due to this, what Abdali did? Abdali took whatever money, booty he collected from this Punjab area and he returned to the Afghanistan. Now here, Abdali want that the Punjab region. What the Abdali wanted? Abdali wanted the Punjab region under his control. Due to this, the conflict should be there in between Maratha and the Abdali. Why the Abdali needed that Punjab region? Because Punjab region was very important because that region was very rich. Greenery and the production of the grains are more in that area. So the Abdali needed that area. But the Maratha got the Chauthai rights of the Punjab region. So the conflict of both Maratha and Abdali was imminent. Means in a future, the conflict between Abdali and the Marathas was the fixed one, imminent one. What happened? How the battle started in between Abdali and the Marathas? Their information we will take. The campaign against Abdali. The Peshwa Nana Sahib sent his brother Raghunath Rao with two experienced Sardar Mallara Holkar and the Jayappa Shinde against the Abdali. Raghunath Rao was very clever. He think that if the foreign invader like Abdali attacked on India, then all local leaders or the rulers have to come together unitely for the unity of India against the foreign invader. What they want? Any foreign invader attacked on India, then whatever the Indian rulers, kings were there, they have to come together against that foreigner because we want our country unitely. Okay, but the local rulers did not understood his broad mindset or his vision. Whatever the local kings are there, leaders are there, they were not understood these things. They did not like that Maratha supremacy into the North India. Local rulers like Rajput, Jat, Rohillas did not like the interference of Marathas into the Delhi court. Only Surajmal Jat and the Rani Kishori helped Marathas in a battle of Panipat. Some orthodox people or the rulers from the North India want the rule of their religion only. Do you know what is mean by orthodox? Orthodox means the people who followed their religion very strictly. What they want? Whatever the people are there in that area, they want their religion's rule. Means the Muslim people wanted the rule of Muslim only, though they are the foreigner. Means Muslim leader from the North India, Muslim ruler from the North India want that the Muslim ruler, though they are from Afghanistan, instead of Indian ruler. Understood this? Now the local rulers did not understood the broad view of Marathas. What was the broad view of Marathas? If any foreign invader come or any foreign attack came on India, all local rulers have to unite and fight with the foreigners. But these rulers did not understood the broad way of the Marathas. They think that Abdali will defeat to the Marathas and restrict the power of Maratha into the southern area only till the Narmada river. It was a great loss for the Indian people or the rulers that the foreigners invaded India and defeated the Indian rulers. Okay. So whatever the rulers were there in a North India, they did not help the Marathas against Abdali. Okay. One question will be there. Why the local rulers of North India not help the Marathas against Abdali? Because they don't want or they did not want the supremacy of Marathas into the Delhi court and the interference into the political matters of North India. So they did not help to the Marathas against Abdali. Okay, understood this one? The broad view of Raghunath Rao. Now the Maratha standard of attack. What happened in that attack? What is mean by attack? Their information we will took. Okay. The Najib Khan was the chief or the leader of Rohillas. He did not accept the Maratha supremacy into the North India. So he requested to Abdali that attack on India again. At the behest of Najib Khan, Abdali attacked on Delhi. What the Najib Khan did? He requested to the king of Afghanistan, Abdali, to attack on India. And his request accepted by Abdali, and Abdali attacked on Delhi. This was the fifth time. Before that, four times Abdali attacked on India. Now, the fifth time he attacked on India with the request of Najib Khan, leader of Rohillas. He took a large booty. He took a large money with him when he returned to the Afghanistan. As the Maratha knew that Najib Khan attacked again on Delhi, Raghunath Rao and Malhar Rao marched towards Delhi. They captured Delhi again. Then they started to capture the area that was conquered by Abdali. They won the Punjab region where Abdali's officers run the Punjab. Maratha, due to the Maratha power, the Abdali soldiers come on the back foot. They went to the back. Now the Marathas started to chase of Abdali's soldiers. They chased them till Atak. What is mean by Atak? See in this map. Seen? Where is the Atak? You found that one? Okay. Atak was situated in today's Pakistan. See, where is the Atak? In the Pakistan. Okay, are you able to see? At the left hand of you. Okay. Maratha conquered the area of Multan, Peshawar and Atak. Both three places are situated in today's Pakistan. Due to this, the standard of Maratha increased, but Maratha did not make a proper arrangement of this conquered territory. What they did, they showed a great valor. They fought very bravely, defeated the soldiers of Abdalis, and they conquered the area of Multan, Peshawar, and Atak, but did not make a proper arrangement of this conquered territory, and they returned in their Swaraj. Okay, they own the area and they return back into the Swaraj. Then what happened? We will learn some information about the Dattaji's bravery, what he did. Hmm? To get a firm hold over the Punjab and crush down the Najib Khan's area or activities, here Peshwa sent a Dattaji Shinde and Jankoji Shinde in the North India. Najib Khan increased the activity in a Punjab, so the Peshwa Nana Sahib sent the two important Sardars into the north, Dattaji Shinde and Jankoji Shinde. Both were very brave and the experienced one. Najib Khan was very clever. What he did, he kept engaged Dattaji in negotiation. Negotiation means speaking with Dattaji. We will accept your things. We will make a treaty with you. So he engaged Dattaji into the negotiation. And what he did? He contact with Abdali. What he did? He contact with Abdali and ask him for a help. On receiving the message of Najib Khan, Abdali attacked on India again. What the Abdali did? Najib Khan again requested to Abdali to attack on India. This time Abdali again attacked on India. There was a battle between Abdali and Dattaji. This time Maratha Sardar was present into the North India as the Abdali came. Dattaji and the Abdalis fight was there in a North India. Dattaji showed his bravery valor into this battle. He fought very bravely. He died a hero's death in that battle. He bravely fought there, but he could not succeed in that battle. Abdali defeated Dattaji, hmm, and Dattaji died a hero's death. One incident of that battle given to you in a box of do you know. Hmm? Here Dattaji shown to you and the soldiers of Najib Khan and Abdalis are shown to you. Here the head or the advisor of the Najib Khan Qutub Shah asked Dattaji, क्या पटेल हमारे साथ और भी लड़ोगे? See here, Dattaji was wounded. He then also he smiled and said, हाँ बचेंगे तो और भी लड़ेंगे. Understood this? How bravely Dattaji fought there, but he could not succeed. He died a hero's death into the battle against the Abdali. After the death of Dattaji, Peshwa sent his cousin brother Sadashiv Rao Bhau and his eldest son Vishwas Rao in the North India to crush the Abdali. Sadashiv Rao Bhau was the son of Chimaji Appa. Are you remembering who was the Chimaji Appa? In a last lesson we learned. Yes or no? Okay. The Sadashiv Rao Bhau was the son of Chimaji Appa. He had a huge army and artillery. Ibrahim Khan Gardi was the chief of his artillery. Who was the chief of the artillery of Sadashiv Rao Bhau? Ibrahim Khan Gardi was the chief of the artillery. Who was the chief? Ibrahim Khan Gardi. Sadashiv Rao Bhau was very brave. He defeated Nizam at the Battle of Udgir in 1760. He was well experienced. Nizam was very strong Sardar of the Deccan, but Sadashiv Rao Bhau defeated him in a 1760 at the Battle of Udgir. Okay. Now the Peshwa sent them into the North India, to whom Sadashiv Rao Bhau and Vishwas Rao to crush down the activities of Abdali into the North India. Now, how they fought with Abdali? What happened in the Battle of Panipat? What was the result? Their information we will learn in a next period. Hope you understood this lesson. Yes or no? Say loudly. Okay. Whatever part I taught you today, once read it carefully. Okay. Remaining part we will learn in a next one. Thank you.